In today's digital age, where attention spans are shrinking, the allure of short, impactful content is undeniable. Motivational videos on platforms like Instagram Reels have become a powerful means of inspiring and connecting with audiences. In this guide, we will explore the art of crafting compelling scripts for creating motivational videos specifically tailored for Instagram Reels. Many pages on Instagram are inspiring people immensely by presenting motivational quotes with attractive visuals. Be successful. 9 is the Instagram page, and it presents motivational quotes with attractive visuals and grabs the attention of viewers. It has 69.9K followers with 454 posts. Travel Success is the other Instagram page that has 185K followers with 669 motivational quotes posts. Now you can guess how much they earn. Creating these motivational videos is not a difficult task, and AI tools have made it easier. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process in an easy way, so please don't skip any part of the video and try to learn and earn with us. Quotes, anecdotes, and relatable stories are potent motivational elements. We'll explore how to seamlessly integrate these into the script for maximum impact. First, you need motivational quotes, and you can easily get it by using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and write in the search bar, "Give me motivational quotes for my Instagram posts," and within seconds it will generate them. Copy all quotes and save them in Google Docs. Now you need special prompts for generating unique visuals for your text quotes that enhance your visual views and captivate your video attraction. Let's move again to ChatGPT, pick your first quote and paste it again in the ChatGPT, prompts the search bar like me, and press enter. It will generate all visual prompts for your video. After completing this process, you need the best visual scenes that will enhance your video attraction, and for this, you have to get captivating video clips. You can create unique short video clips by using the runwayml.com website by using prompts according to your desire. Just go to Google and enter your website name, runwayml.com, and after sign up with your Google Gmail, you can log in and easily use it free of cost. It is a super cool website that provides us the image and video clip creation free of cost by special prompts. Now write your first prompt in the search bar and press enter. And for a few seconds, it will create a wonderful video clip according to your given prompt, and you can download it easily like me. One by one, enter your all prompts, download all video clips, and save these in your folder. Now you need the best effective voiceover that presents your motivational quote in a better way and clicks people's minds seriously, and for this 11 Lab can be a good choice for this task. This platform allows you to convert your script into a natural-sounding voiceover. Enter your script here in the text option and choose from a variety of voices to match the tone and style of your motivational quotes. In just a few minutes, it will generate an effective voiceover that can easily impress your audience to captivate your video. After getting this voiceover and video clips, you need the best software for impressive editing, and I use CapCut for it. Now move to video editing, which is very easy and interesting for your video creation journey. It is pretty easy and various editing options make me reliable with it. Select the new project and set resolutions according to Instagram Reels. Import your video clips and voiceover into CapCut for seamless editing. Arrange the clips according to your script and adjust the voiceover in the second timeline like me. Explore a range of effects, transitions, and animations to elevate your video's appeal. Immerse yourself in your story by adding music that sets the mood and evokes the desired atmosphere. This will enhance your imagination and guide your inspiration. This software includes multiple music, and you can easily find and use them according to your desire. After completing all processes, now your video is ready to export and publish. Go to your specific Instagram page and publish it with a title and special tags according to your video topic. In a few hours, you will realize that your video grabbing high attention of people and they are engaging with your video currently. Motivational videos have gained immense popularity on Instagram Reels, offering a quick dose of inspiration in a visually engaging format. As social media becomes increasingly video-centric, understanding how to script and create motivational content is a valuable skill for content creators. Hope you have liked this video. We will come up new topic next time. Please subscribe and share this video and leave your comments for future topics.
Embrace the journey, celebrate the progress, and never underestimate the power of your own resilience. You're stronger than you think. Life is a canvas, and you hold the brush. Paint your story with courage, passion, and the belief that every stroke brings you closer to your masterpiece. In a world where you can be anything, be kind to yourself. You are a work in progress, a masterpiece unfolding. Your dreams don't have an expiration date.